I represent Holy Ghost. Commander Holy Ghost. May the gentle soul of Commander Holy Ghost rest in peace. All those governors in the southeast thinking that bulletproof motor can save them, buying bulletproof cars everywhere now, coastal bus. That bulletproof go turn to waterproof. Let the eastern governors, senator, they would perish. AGC, APC, PDP is not on our agenda.
Our guy, Nnamdi Kanu, he did there, they suffer. On a day they talk how we will come together, saying, well, make we release them, see social condition, lower condition, make peace day. So because of this, make my buy no day for Southeast. On a user, they do business. On a they use Nnamdi Kanu, they do business, they do politics.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello fans, Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, your location, wherever you are watching us from. This is Magnetic Gist TV. Today being the 19th day of April 2026. We, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is wishing you happy Sunday. Biafrans, here is the news in detail. Late Commander Holy Ghost brother is out here issuing a very serious warning to the eastern governors, to the Biafran governors, telling them that when the time comes, their bulletproof car will not save them. That all those bulletproof cars they are driving or moving around with will turn to water when the time comes. And the time is actually is fast approaching. Oh yes, according to him, he revealed his name as well, because so many people has been asking him, what is your name? Are you truly a Biafran? Are you truly working for Biafran Liberation Army, or are you a Nigerian agent? But here in this video, he said that he is not any Nigerian agent, that their agenda has nothing to do with any party, any political party at all in Nigeria, that their agenda is nothing but just to make sure that Biafra comes to exist.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. Come across this video. Let me introduce myself to those who's asking my name. My name is the Lion, aka See Me No More. I am the product of late General Sani Abacha. But suddenly, unfortunately, the bad government of Nigeria killed him. You see, this life, spirit walks around. My brothers and sisters in the Biafra land, the time is coming when they will run with their two legs. They don't know where their shoe is. I'm still saying this. The youth, the mothers, the father that can still fight. Keep preparing. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. The time is coming. It's close. Not we don't know what we are doing. We know what we are preparing for. All those governors in the southeast thinking that bulletproof motor can save them, buying bulletproof cars everywhere now, coastal bus. That bulletproof go turn to waterproof. I am a Biafra. I must fight for my people. I represent Holy Ghost. Commander Holy Ghost. My name is See Me No More. You see Biafra? For Biafra not to come, let the eastern governors, senator, they would perish. No one will live. Man die, woman born another. I believe in action. They come to kill us. Then let them prepare to die. We are not afraid. We are preparing. Let them prepare. We are preparing. You see this election they want to do. If you are wise, don't come aside. AGC, APC, PDP is not on our agenda. As far as Biafra is concerned, nothing like politicians, nothing like election, nothing like anything that would exist. They come to use election to come and deceive us in the Biafra land, so that they will keep on saying that look at people that is fighting for freedom. They are still going to campaign. They are still going to vote. Vote for who? The only vote that I believe is Biafran vote. Let them take their campaign out from the southeast. It will not be easy. Oh. It will never be easy. It will not be easy. Oh. It will not be easy. You see my hand, you no good for trigger. Oh. My hand no good for trigger. If you are doing your business, do am well. The lovers of freedom of Biafra, I know you people have sense. I know that you people know what to do. I know that you people know where you are coming from and where you are going to. The respect that we can give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is this year and next year. Game change when next year will come. Game change throughout this month. Game change before December. Game will change. They will not understand. You see coconut water, nobody know how it take go up. Oh. Nobody know as coconut take get water. Now say it go be, nobody go know where Biafra will take come. You will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. You people will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. We are not here for church or chore. Gentle the Yahoo, keep walking. I dey see your work. Eje make up, I dey see your work. Butuzo, I dey see your work. We dey everywhere. Now people wey you no go see. You cannot see us, but we dey see you now. We dey go everywhere. But we through campus, so we dey there. I dey tell you where we dey. I no dey shake, I no dey fear. You see Agrega for Kigwe, we dey there. I no dey fear. I dey tell you. You see Angara roundabout, we dey rotate there every 247. I been Anambra dey talk. We dey see everybody. But keep working. We are with you. This is the product of Sani Abacha, the late Sani Abacha. I am one of the products. The only person that can say stop, number 1, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. 2, Abacha. 3, Abacha's wife. 4, Ngozi Orabueze. Or Samuel Ekpa. Those people that can give orders say stop. If they cannot say stop, game change. Oh, hey Biafra. You know why I'm smiling? Because Biafra is close. It's for us now to prepare to go home. Nnamdi Kanu is coming out. Now the president will bring him out. Oh. You see, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't have power to bring him out. He's only playing his politics. People that will bring Nnamdi Kanu out, people will be surprised. He will sleep and wake up and see Biafra. We are all over the world. Oh, hey Biafra. My name, na see me no more, aka. May the gentle soul of Commander Holy Ghost rest in peace. The same way Nigeria will still rest in peace. I greet you all.
Omo, this our brother in Niger Delta, General Asabuja. History will always remember you because you have always stood on your ground to speak for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Even though your brother, or will I say your senior colleague in the creek, which is Asari Dokubo, is speaking ill of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, speaking ill of Igbo people, speaking ill of Biafra. But irrespective of that, you stood your ground and you say that you are a true Igbo man, a Biafran, and you have been always speaking for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Indeed, history will remember you.
They do business. Usually they cash out. They don't do now. Somebody will go thief, na Nnamdi Kanu person, na IPOB. Somebody will go do kidnapping, na IPOB. Court boys will fool where they fight for community, na IPOB. People where they scatter people house, where they thief, where they loot, na IPOB. Anything where they commit, na IPOB. Oh, na Nnamdi Kanu head. Nnamdi Kanu no send them. Nnamdi Kanu no be armed robber. He never go for robbery, kidnapping, raping, just like me. But I will find something to set them up. I am activist, the warlord, the Amuzo of the cherubim, the Kwikwi of the seraph, the dirty water, man we carry death for pocket. It is me, General Asabuja, Gabriel Asabuja. Now me, though the thing don't do much, make God help us. Help us make peace day Nigeria. Make peace day. Fulani day busy on and they carry no drone. See how they kill drone. Nigeria no get drone, we no get chopper now. Fulani day busy they kill us. We no get chopper. We no get drone. If we are for southeast, drone go full everywhere. Chopper go there. Operation this, operation that, go enter Imo State. Then go enter Abia State. Then go enter Anambra. But Bush, boys, see, open floor there. Open land there to open fire with who? Bandit. To open fire with Fulani, they no go there. Grand battle, grand battle with Fulani, they no go. They no go set to drone there. They busy carry our military, they cash out, they do business. Carry our young youth, military people, they do what? They do politics. They do politics, they do election. Go see how our youth they die. Our youth they die every day. Our youth they perish every day. The one where video show and the one where video no show. The one where video no show plenty pass. The one where video no show plenty pass. Now so then those babies they buy our people for desert, for forest. Then they busy they buy our people. The one where they hide plenty pass. Our people they busy they suffer. Our people they busy they suffer. They busy they cry. Now what will they see? They busy they cry for us. Go see widows full everywhere. Widows make on a wake up talk. Widows of military make on a wake up cry. Widows of soldiers make on a wake up cry. It don't too much. The killing don't too much. A young girl marry make a widow. A young girl just got married today. In next month they don't turn to widow. They buy people. Go see this one where they buy now. Go see how many people will die for Niger. There no many way they no count. Even our River State people follow die. Where they go bury next week. Our River State people plenty way die. They go bury them next week. Where they are, we are. Where the brothers don't come see me. But honorable member don't go talk about them. Now politics in face. Now campaign. When they borrow money, they share our money. When they borrow money, they share our money. Don't check money where they don't borrow up till now. 150 something trillion. Where would they owe? Would they owe now? How? We get all resources, get everything. Would they busy they borrow? God go judge on now. Honorable member, we come to spoil Nigeria. God will punish you. Honorable member, we come to scatter Nigeria. We come to loot, to thief. God will punish you. I say so. You see, this word is unrevocable. Thunder go fire you. As he come to loot our money, thief our money, he no go well within you and your family, with your loved ones. If we go follow you, or I no go free, God will judge you. Thank you very much. Thank you. When I hear the song where they play for one church where they near my office. You are God. You are not just a man. You are a great God. When I hear them, you are God. You are not just a man. You are a great God. God, you see those politicians, honorable member, show them say you be God. Show them say you be God. Show them God who dwell in the midst of Israel. We are African Israel generation. Now God showed them, we Southeast, we are the African Israel generation. God showed them, say you be God. You are a great God. You are a mighty God. Show them you are a great God. Elohim is your name. Elohim is your name. Jehovah Elohim is your name. Show them you are a great God. The God of... I don't know how to thank this God. Our God too good. You know why they talk this in? See this uniform man. The uniform man. He no sabi salute to nothing in sabi because he from north because na Fulani man. See him, nothing in sabi, they don't put on for military. Ordinary salute you no sabi. No one in sabi. To shake, to salute, to match, nothing. See them, they don't put them. If now for we here Southeast, then they find graduate, then they find PhD. Go for not. The one who knows sabi right in the ministry. The one who knows sabi speech in the military. Even when I go Kano those days, a DPO, somebody they translate for a DPO when we go police station. The DPO knows sabi get PA where they translate for him. A Fulani man, but him be DPO. In boy where they follow and they translate, they write for him. They nothing. In English, ordinary, he no sabi, but him be CSP. Him be CSP. He no sabi, but in the military, in the force, 94 man. For Southeast here, we define graduate, we define waiting PhD, we define who do this. If you reach for not, both who they pursue cow in the military. Inside bush, they go call them join military because they do population to use them intimidators, to use them oppressors. Who knows Sabi reach in the general? Who knows Sabi this in rank high just to use them intimidate Southeast? Go north, go see. Make gonna watch this video. This video. Make gonna just see this video and they come back again. Watch waiting they happen for this video. Now waiting with the see for Nigeria. Now waiting with the see. Now this time of day. Southeast wake up. Southeast let them betray your brother. Let them betray your brother. This betrayal never do. He never do enough. Right from when we get independent till today, we dey betray ourselves. We dey sell ourselves. Right from time of independence till today, we dey sell ourselves. We dey betray ourselves for small contracts, small peanuts, small appointment. Wetin happen? These people dey busy. They buy us to reduce us. Them plan to reduce us. Everywhere na then day. He never do.
So Biafrans, Nonso Okwa here is complaining concerning a criminal that was caught, handed over to the police. And you know what happened according to Nonso Okwa? That the police released the suspect. The suspect has been released according to Nonso Okwa without any trial, without anything. Nonso Okwa and the people that are involved in this are not happy at all. They are very, very annoyed with police, saying what exactly is going on in this country. Listen to Nonso Okwa in what he said here.
A very, very quick one, of course, a very, very sad one. That na gejide onye oshi. Na camera CCTV gejide onye oshi. I confirm onye oshi. Akpori abogara nde police aha ya ala. Oshi ezuge ndi nwere computer accessories na number 5 Tetlo by Injamanze. Eba Don Wise computer sino. Oshi a ndo oshi these criminals. Egide ndo oshi. Because ezugele computer, zuge laptop, onwe be yenda na ezube na that number 5 in Jamanze by number 5 Tetlo by Jamanze. Onwe bo duro oshi na ezube nde na era accessories there. Okay, nde na era ya beteze amount to CCTV. Camera zama ha geja ka hajide these people. Hey, make it a dosia. What about the police and state CID? The police are now was in that Nanda Broso. Nanda Broso has a cell bosso. Now that guy Broso, you know. The police, in fact, the commissioner of Imo State, I want you to investigate this, sir. Investigate this. One inspector, I don't want to mention his name. I can't people career. How can you arrest a criminal, a burglar, or a bugger? How can you arrest Onyoshi? Onyoshi, the police. The police are Onyoshi ala. Now was in them Onyoshi arrest. No, but also na cell. No, but also na cell. Okay, I know from the police are home. The police are bros. Hey, Tiana, before you know it, Nagadrum, before you know it, release ahụ. What are you people showing us and what are you people telling us? What police is saying, if we can catch a criminal and bring to police and police will release the criminal, which means you are telling the citizens, you are telling the people, when you get a criminal, kill the criminal. Let jungle justice happen. Why would police release a criminal? Why would police release a criminal? And we got information that the person that is buying all these stolen accessories is working with the police. You people should go and rearrest that guy. Look here. You should go and rearrest him. The people selling computer accessories there, they are crying every day. Every day, every day, the police. Police are higher. From cell, from cell. What kind of rubbish stock is that one? What are you people telling the people? By this action of the police, what are you telling the people? That they should start conducting jungle justice now? That is what you are saying. So that Onye accessories will come out. So that you people will investigate and get the person that is buying the laptop and the computers and the accessories. That guy is from those computer shops. Any police officer that is releasing criminal in the guise that's number also, it will not work for you. It will not work for you. The CP should look into this. That police officer should be prosecuted. The police officer that allowed the criminal to run away from the cell should be prosecuted. Because you are working in consonance with the criminal that is buying stolen goods, stolen laptops, stolen computers. That is what you are doing. We will escalate this matter. That criminal, non-guy now. We will escalate it. A lot of money get shop, laptop, computer, I was also to look on them everywhere. Mana Douglas, Mana Wedra, everywhere in Imo State. Burglary. Somebody is buying those things. Somebody is buying them. And that is the work of the police to track down the person that is buying stolen goods and arrest the person and prosecute the person. And not releasing the criminal that was captured and brought to you. And you release him and you are telling the people that he has run away from the cell. And I called it Akoko.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section and share this video. We all love you. Remember, peace is the best in everything. All right. According to our followers, our video will no longer be that long again. Thank you all once more. Bye.